SOPTOP. Installation and focusing tutorial. Install column fixing rings. The base is secured with screws on the back. Install round column. Install height positioning ring. Install bracket. Install microscope body. Install eyepiece. Install 0.5 times CTV. Install dust-proof lens. Connect the wiring and install LED lights. First, ensure the right eyepiece is in focus. Then adjust the left eyepiece to be in focus as well. Turn on the LED lights. Place the object in the center of the light. Make sure to rotate the left eyepiece to 0 degrees. First, right eyepiece observation. Rotate the zoom handwheel to the minimum magnification. Then observe the eyepiece. Move the items to a suitable location. Rotate the focusing handwheel to make the object clear. Rotate the zoom handwheel to the maximum magnification. Rotate the focusing handwheel to make the object clear. Rotate the zoom handwheel to the minimum magnification. Check if the focus was successful. If focus fails, please repeat the above steps to make the object clear. Observe the left eyepiece. If it goes out of focus, adjustable diopter to make the object clear. Adjust the interpupillary distance until you feel comfortable. Adjust the tension of the focusing handwheel. Grab the left side, rotate the right side. Tighten clockwise and loosen counterclockwise. SOPTOP.